These are spacers. This is mainly used along with the beads in any jewelry to enhance its beauty. So you can see in this chain I have used small spacers in between the beads, so that really adds a look to the jewelry. So these comes in various sizes, designs, and these are metal spacers, smaller ones, and this is a bigger spacers. You can use this for a thread jewelry or bigger bead. This will go well with it. And this is also a bigger spacer. So can be used with a bigger bead. And these are also a different type of spacers. So the spacers have holes on both the sides, so it will go through the wire. These are the small spacers. And I have one designed one which is having the seed bead pasted on that, so that looks really elegant when you add them in between the beads.
That was useful
so these
to
are
you.
all about
Thank you.
spacers.